how to make long consistent videos using VEO 3. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the ChatGPT and then we will come back to VEO 3. And after opening up ChatGPT, simply write this prompt, like write a JSON prompt. In this particular video, we are using this particular prompt, but you can modify it or change it according to your needs and requirements. You can also ask ChatGPT to write a story. The point is to get the JSON prompt from ChatGPT, as it will give you better results. So make sure that you get the JSON prompt, and this is how it will look like. So I created this particular JSON prompt and then used it to get this video. Now we want to get a consistent video after this particular video, so let's do it. And I have written this particular prompt in order to get the consistent results. Now I have asked ChatGPT to give me 2 more JSON prompts for the next 2 scenes, and in VEO 3 we will use those scenes and adjust them accordingly. Now let's wait for ChatGPT to give us the 2 more scenes in JSON prompt format. And we have the first one, so we can copy this. By the way, when ChatGPT gives you this JSON prompt, simply open up Flow. For this, simply open up your browser and search for Flow, then open up the very first link and just create your account on Flow, and after that click on this option of new project and you would start a new project. In new project, simply paste the JSON prompt over here and then select this option of text to video, and also make sure that you select this option of settings, and then you can select the video format, whether you want landscape or portrait. Select the one option, then select VEO 3.1 fast, as it will take 20 credits, and after that you can simply click over here. But in case if you are working on a next scene, then instead of doing this, simply select this option over here, which is add to scene. Do this after you create the first scene. So we will just simply click on the add to scene option and wait for it to load. Now over here, click on plus, click on extend, and simply type the prompt from ChatGPT that we got and select the settings accordingly and click on this option of go, and then wait for it to do its work. It might take a little while, just have some patience. Meanwhile, let's check out whether our another scene is completed on ChatGPT or not. So this is scene 2 and this is scene 3. So we will use this scene 3 after the second scene is complete. And the second scene is ready. Let's check out how it looks like. Oh my god, it looks like one single video. It doesn't look different at all. That's brilliant. Now let's work out with the scene 3, and for that we will just simply open up ChatGPT, and this is the scene 3. Simply copy this and open up Flow again, then click on plus, click on extend. No, we don't want over here, we want over here. So we will select this and then click on extend, then paste the JSON prompt that we got. Check out the settings, click over here after that, and just wait for a while and check out the results later on. So the third scene is also ready. Let's check it out, how flawless it is. Okay, the transition is actually quite well, but this appearance of parachute is not that great. So if you don't like this particular scene or any particular scene over here, simply select that and you can just simply delete it and ask ChatGPT to write another prompt and better one with the improvements if you want to. And you can also make the changes over here like this in case if you want the smooth transitions, and after that you can simply click over here in order to download this. And this is how easy it is.
Hit the like button.
I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.